Okay, you start.
Hi, I'm Shrutika. Today I'll be presenting my project title A Practical Framework for XAA Enabled Hiding Mitigating Discrimination. Firstly, we will be discussing some insights into the research paper titled Applying XAI to AI based System for Candidate Management to Mitigate Bias and Discrimination in Hiring. At 99% of the Fortune 500 companies, job applications are first evaluated by an applicant tracking system instead of a human being. And more importantly, AI based systems, they also reduce discrimination by focusing solely on the skills and job related criteria rather than demographics. So, bias in AI based hiring can still occur due to the biases in historical data used to train the AI based system. It is referred to as garbage in and garbage out.
Okay, this is your base paper, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
And
this
this basically, what kind of bias it is speaking about, Sutika?
The bias can be based on the gender or age, and also the racial based bias is also prevalent in this. Now, this study conducted a survey which had an online experiment with 194 participants.
So there was a questionnaire kind of thing,
Yes.
online questionnaire, online survey. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So, with 14 participants excluded, 194 valid cases were included, and in this, they were divided into four groups. Now, varying in whether they can, so one group has AI based hiring recommendation system, and the other group was given XAI based enabled uh, for AI decisions. So, the findings were quite insightful, and the study revealed that the AI based recommendation system increased fairness in hiring the older and female candidates.
Okay. So rather, these are two categories you are saying.
Yes.
And with AI based and XI based included, the hiring could rather curtail the biases country. That's what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. Are you going further?
Yes.
So
So,
this is your base paper, no? You're speaking
yes.
of.
So
Okay.
the conclusion of this base paper is that AI-based recommendation systems has a potential to improve the hiring fairness, but also humans should also have trust in these recommendations.
Okay.
Now, coming to our project.
Wait. So have you
Yes.
finished regarding speaking about this?
Yes, sir.
Let me just ask one question to you. So this is your base paper, right?
Yes.
And this base paper title is Applying Explainable AI to an AI-based system for candidate management to mitigate bias and discrimination in hiring. This paper is authored by these guys, right? Lennart and Sunjay and Alexander and Millar and Stefan. And your idea for your project, which is your final year project, is derived from this. Now, my question to you, Shrutika, is are you religiously following the entire flow of the project which these authors have followed, or what changes we may see in your project?
Well, we had implemented a dashboard for both candidates as well as the HRs. So a new implementation in our project would be the candidate dashboard, where the candidates can upload their resumes and can generate the scores if whether their resumes can get shortlisted or not. And our application also provides some recommendations on how to improve their resumes for better shortlisting.
Okay, okay. So you want me to go now for the coding? Yeah, so open that. So, if I am correct, this is your project modules, some of the important modules here
Yes,
are
sir.
there, and you are not yet completely done it. What
Yes.
are the important modules which you are going to talk about?
The first one would be parsing the resume. Now, resumes can be available in different formats. Now, we are firstly extracting the text from PDF format.
So this PDF, as in this is resume PDF, right?
Yes,
Okay, so this resume PDF, you are extracting text from that.
text from that. And
Okay,
then we are using an API called Grok, where we can give a prompt like this, extract the following information from this resume, and it will provide us the following features from the
so
resume.
Grok is a package or a library,
It
right?
is an yes, sir.
API, or what it is?
It uses some models to extract the features from that. It is mainly used for
So have you
NLP.
imported them somewhere down?
Yes, sir. It is in my .env file.
Okay, okay,
We have an API key here.
okay.
So after that, we are using Resume Matcher So basically, we're using sentence transformers to convert into vectorized format, which will be easier for.
So let me understand correctly. First, you extracted a text from the PDF.
Yes.
Second part, what you are doing?
Secondly, we are parsing the text using the Grok API.
Parsing the text using Grok API. Okay, post that.
Post that, we are converting the parsed API into vectorized format using sentence transformers.
What is the objective of this?
It will make the evaluation easier for the next line.
Okay.
And after that, this is all the functionality that is present in the sentence transformers.
Okay.
Next is the get similarity. We are including this also to get the cosine similarity. So basically, we are getting the similarity between the job description as well as the resume.
This is to kind of performance check. It is for
Yes,
what?
it's like checking for performance, like how similar is the resume to the job description, and if the cosine similarity is near to 1, then it is a perfect match.
Okay. I am seeing here Lime also coming
Yes,
into picture.
now
Tell about it.
explainable AI it is a main part in our project. Basically, it will enhance the transparency in the AI-based systems used for applicant tracking system. Now here, Lime is a tool that is used for making the AI more transparent. It first modifies some resume past data sets and then applies a model to it. And then later it finds out the features that are more important for the resume to get shortlisted. And then we are matching the resume. This is the basic functionality of matching the resume where we are implementing Lime and similarity.
So Lime code is already implemented.
Yes, sir.
So are we finding any results in the form of graphs or
Yes,
plots somewhere?
using let me just it is an app.py.
No worries. This is one of the well-known algorithm in explainable AI, na? Lime.
Yes, sir. And we are also thinking to implement SHAP too, but that will be implemented in the HR thing, which will be.
So
doing
these are
later.
two popular things. SHAP and Lime, these are the two popular. Okay, tell. You're trying to show me something or tell me something?
Yes, sir.
You wanted to show the results?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
No worries. Now, can you tell also to me what is the pending part? Because I assume this is not the complete project, right?
So now we are actually making two dashboards, one for candidates and one for HRs. Now in candidate we have two parts. That is one is for passing the resume. That is to make sure that whatever resume that you're formatting it will be passed by the ATS systems that are used by the companies. So candidates can make sure that they can format the resumes in such a way, and there is also the matching part for increasing the score for the resume. And the other part we are trying to implement is a HR module, which will have the data of all the resumes of all the candidates,
Okay.
and it will have the analytics of that.
So I think in this project, once it is completed, we'll have a go for the part 2 of the video,
Yes.
which will show all the results and everything, right? So thank you, Shrutika, for this. We'll stop here now. Is it fine?
Yes.
You want to show our closing remarks, something you want to say, or we'll close?
So